On June 12th, TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu took oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for the fourth time. Reports indicate that due to TDP's significant victory in the state elections, the real estate prices in Amravati have increased from 50 to 100%. The proposal to build the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, was put forward by Chandrababu Naidu himself during his tenure as the first Chief Minister of bifurcated state of Andhra Pradesh from 2014 to 2019. The new greenfield capital was planned to be environmentally sustainable and located between Vijayawada and Guntur, encompassing 29 villages. In fact, the TDP chief secured approximately 30,000 acres of farmland from local farmers for the construction of the capital city through a land pooling scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also participated in the foundation laying ceremony. However, this plan suffered a setback after YS Jagan Mohan Reddy led YSR Congress Party came to power. In December 2019, the YSRCP government proposed the idea of having three capitals for Andhra Pradesh. According to the proposal, Visakhapatnam would serve as the executive capital, Amravati as the legislative capital, and Kurnool as the judicial capital. However, in March 2022, the Andhra Pradesh High Court ordered the YSRCP government to develop Amravati as the sole state capital. The government disputed this decision in the Supreme Court, where the matter is still pending. After the election results, land prices in Amravati increased by 50 to 100%. This significant rise indicates renewed interest and confidence in the future of the capital, reversing the 60% to 75% decline experienced after the announcement of three capital plan in 2019. Before 2019, the land prices at Amravati were reportedly Rs 25,000 to 60,000 per square yard. After YSRCP came to power, the prices dipped to Rs 9,000 to 18,000 per square yard. Now, land prices hover in the region of Rs 30,000 to 60,000 per square yard. Multiple central government institutions such as the Reserve Bank of India, CAG, CPWD, NTPC, ONGC, Indian Bank and the State Bank of India have obtained land in Amravati. Naidu plans to fast-track the establishment of these institutions to boost economic activity. This has led to an increase in land prices around these institutions and private universities. Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, Neerab Kumar, made an unexpected visit to Amravati, indicating that capital works have resumed under Naidu's instructions. Initial efforts include 25 sites where previous works were stalled. Priorities include seed access roads, MLA quarters, AIS officers' quarters, Secretariat towers, the High Court building, housing projects, a water treatment plant, and utilities. Currently, 94 earth movers are engaged in clearing and leveling the area. This revitalization marks a significant step towards realizing Naidu's vision for Amravati, aligning with the promise made during his campaign.